So yeah, I am Dhaval Visariya, a developer by profession and a mutual fund distributor. Okay, so अपन लोग आज हम देखने वाले NISM सीरीज वन का करेंसी डेरिवेटिव्स की मॉक टेस्ट। ठीक है, टोटल हम 8 कवर करने वाले हैं, जिसमें 1 to 5 में 50 MCQ होंगे और लास्ट 3 में 100 MCQ होंगे, मेगा मॉक टेस्ट। ठीक है, मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ, ये टेस्ट सीरीज आप एक बार प्लीज देख के जाना। 110% आप पास हो जाओगे, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस इसमें से ही पूछते हैं। और अगर आपको कुछ भी क्वेरी हो रिगार्डिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, I am MP registered mutual fund distributor. So yeah, you can contact me for any such queries. Okay. So yeah, we are going to start from question number one. An Indian investor has invested rupees 3,90,000 in US securities. At the time of investment, the exchange rate was 65. 2 years later, he noticed that his investment has gained 25 in USD. Terms and liquidated his investment. He repatriated the money to India at then the existent rate of 62. What will be the real return? So पहले कितना क्या करने का, ठीक है, इसमें 3,90,000 है, उससे पहले यूएस में कन्वर्ट करेगा, डिवाइड बाई 60, जो आंसर आए उसको यूएसडी में आंसर आएगा, उसको 25% 0.25 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, जो आंसर आएगा उसे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 62 से, तो अपन लोगों को रियल कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ वो मिल जाएगा। करेक्ट आंसर इज 19.23। सो यू कैन सी द एक्सप्लेनेशन। ओके, पहले कन्वर्ट कर दो, बाद में गेन दे दो, बाद में जो आंसर आए उसको फिर से इंडियन में 62 से डिवाइड कर दो, जो रियल ऊपर आएगा एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट वो आपको पता चल जाएगा क्या है। दिस इज द ट्रू exchange traded derivatives, centralized trade settlement. This is the correct answer. What are the main feature of the managed float currency? Free capital market with central bank invitation. What is the process of actual paying payout of mark-to-market margin or profit or loss on cancellation or in maturity of future contract called is known as settlements? वो रोज होता है settlement। पॉजिटिव होएगा तो अपन में आ जाएगा, नेगेटिव होएगा तो अपन में से कट हो जाएगा। A currency trader has strong bullish view in USD INR. He also expects a decrease in volatility from the current levels in the coming days. He wants to execute both the views, and therefore, what option strategy he is likely to use? Short put option. Amazon exports hedge 10,000 USD by buying September 2070. A put option at a strike of 63 when price of 0.44 divided by 0.46. The company received USD in its account on 15 September, so the company decided to cancel the option on 15 September. When the price for the same contract was 0.27, 0.28, how much did they lose? The company make on cancellation the put option if so yeah, अपन को पहले देखने का है, ये बाय होता है, कोई भी कुछ बोले तो ये बाय में होता है और ये सेल में होता है। इट मीन्स मिस्टर हेज 10,000 USD बाय बाइंग द सितंबर, ये बाय कर रहा है, स्ट्राइक प्राइस ऑफ 63 और ये चल रहा है, बाय करेगा तो 0.46 आएगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन में। ठीक है, बाद में वो सेल कर रहा है तो 0.27 आएगा। इट मीन्स 0.27 माइनस 0.46 इक्वल्स टू माइनस 0.19, और कितना क्वांटिटी है 10,000 USD, इट मीन्स लॉस होएगा 19,000 1900 का। ठीक है, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, बाय बोले तो सेकंड वन, सेल बोले तो फर्स्ट वन। A significant higher than the expected consumer price index from United Kingdom UK will result in what type of movement of GBP against other currencies? Just a second. Okay. So correct answer is GBP appreciating against other currencies. Okay. Indian companies has both import and exports in GBP of equal amounts. However, the exports reliance comes a week after the payment are made for imports. Which type of currency risk is company facing? Risk of INR appreciation. Okay, USD INR 3 months future is quoting at 65.50 and 6 months is quoting at 66.10. Mr. Bharat expects that after a month, 3 months, future should quote 65.20 and the 6 month should quote at 66. If Mr. Bhatt execute a spread trade and the view goes right, how much profit he will make? Lot size is 10,000. Second, on 3 months to report and the 6 month one. So basically, uh, they are going in profit of rupees 200. Okay. Next is assume that the 1 year interest rate is 1%, 2 and 7 in India. The currency GBP INR spot rate is 91.60. What will be the 1 year future rate of GBP INR? It will be higher than 61.60. Explanation is here. Okay. If I explain all the MCQ, then time will not permit. Okay. An immediate or cancel IOC order is either executed or cancelled as soon as it is entered in the trading system. IOC immediate or cancel means तभी के तभी वरना cancel. What is the relationship between the limit price and trigger price for a stop loss buy order? Trigger price is less than limit price. Okay. Sima is a student of economics believes that GBP should appreciate against INR in next few months. She decides to execute this view using currency futures. Given this scenario, what type of market participants would be the student with? Speculators. A trader initiates a long position of USD INR future contract at a price of 72 by buying a 30 lots. At expiry of contract, the settlement price was 71.70. How much profit or loss did he make in the transaction? Loss of 9,000. Which of these conditions have been satisfied for an 81 category bank to become a trading and the clearing member of any of the recognized currency future exchange? All of the above. You can check the all options. Okay. A trading member TM has two clients X and Y, and he also does the proprietary trading of the currency future on day one. TM buys 20 lots of USD INR and one month futures, and also sells two lots of the same contract on the same day. If his proprietary book on the same day, client X buys 12 lots of USD INR one month futures and also sells two lots of the same contract, while Y buys 12 lots and sell two lots of USD INR one month future. What would be the open position of the trading member X and Y respectively? So it would be create triple zero 10,000 and 10,000. Okay, so you can check 20 minus 2 lots equals to 18. It means 80,000 from client A. 12 minus 2, 10 lots equals to 1000 equals to 10,000 from client B. And 12 minus 2 equals to 10 lots upon 10,000 equals to 10,000 from client 3. Mr. Balbir Singh has invested USD 8,000 in US equities and get the exchange price 73 from its bank for converting INR into USD. Just a second, my order is coming. Okay. Appreciated in value of USD 9,000. He sold off his portfolio and replicated the capital and the profit of India. His effective return after considering currency risk on the investment turned out to be 12%. What exchange price Mr. Balbir would have the received at the time of converting his profit? The correct option is 72.6755. Okay. पहले उसने कन्वर्ट किया 73 में. आफ्टर 2 इयर्स अप्रिशिएट होके 9,000 हो गया. बाद में उसने सोल्ड कर दिया 12% में. बाद में उसने सोल्ड कर दिया. ठीक है, तो क्या होएगा? यू कैन चेक द आंसर 72.67. ऑल्सो आई हैव एक्सप्लेन इन एक्सप्लेनेशन सेक्शन. ओके. This is Sony. Mr. Sony has invested 1 lakh in Indian corporate bond for a giving return 9% in 1 year. She plans to use the profit from the maturity of corporate bond to fund her daughter education in US. At the time of investing in corporate bond, USD INR spot was 73 and 1 year premium was 5 plus. He decided to hedge the currency. ये वाला मेरे को एग्जाम में आया था, ये करेक्ट हुआ था. 1422 आंसर है इसका. ठीक है, अब एक बार एक्सप्लेनेशन देख के जाना. इट इज वेरी सिंपल. Trading member buys September USD INR futures at various price point over 2 days. He buys 20 lots at 74.70 at 10:30 on day 1, 10 lots of 2 p.m. on day 1, and 20 lots of day 2. On day 3, he squared out 20 lots. You can FIFO methods. पहले जो लिया होगा वही आउट होगा, जो लास्ट में बचेगा उसका आंसर मिल जाएगा. In this question there is no profit and loss, so zero. Answer is zero. Okay. The important market which opened around afternoon of India time is a Europe or UK market. If Euro USD quotes are dash and the INR are dash, then cross Euro INR offer rate is. So you can calculate using this. पहले ये देखने का और बाद में 85.40 ये देखने का। As they have told euro INR. If you multiply both, then you get the answer 99.491. Okay. Trader observed that the 3-month euro INR future contract is trading at 101, while the forward rate for the same maturity is 101. To take advantage of the price difference, he sells the future contract and the simultaneously buy in the forward market. Which category of market participants does this strategy represent? It's known as arbitrage. वो एक जगह सेल करके बाय करेगा उसे आर्बिट्राज ही कहते हैं. So yeah, I am coming in 2 minutes. Okay. So yeah, Vendika purchased 10 lots of 1 month euro INR futures at the price quoted at dash. After 1 week, she closes 5 of this dash. तो बेसिकली क्या करना है पता है, 10 लोट्स है 1 मंथ का है, कुछ नहीं देखना है, 1 मंथ नहीं देखना है, ठीक है. 10 लोट्स है, क्या किया है उसने, परचेज किए तो प्राइस की परचेज किया है तो ये बाइंग आएगा 100 इंटू 90 इंटू लोट साइज इंटू 10 लोट्स, ठीक है. आफ्टर 1 वीक 5 माइनस कर देने का, ठीक है. तो 5 लोट सेल किया तो सेल यानी कि पहले वाला आएगा इंटू 1000. तो जो भी नेट प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस आएगा ये है -7750. आपको पता चल गया, इसमें से आप देख लेना, ठीक है. A trading member has 3 clients, two in the currency future segment and one in the currency option segment. At the end of the trading day, dash 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 dash. One future client holds the short position of USD 2000. Second future client holds the long position of USD 6000, and the option holds the long position of USD 5000. What is the total gross open position of the trading member for the purpose of open position monitoring? So answer will be 13,000 USD. Traders sold 20 lots of USD INR June futures at dash. Later, INR appreciated by 100 ticks, and the trader closed the position. What is the resulting profit or loss from the trade? Profit 5,000. So you have to multiply 0.0025 into 100 ticks. It would be 0.25. 0.25 into 20 into number of lots. ठीक है, हो जाएगा. तो profit of 5,000. Future contracts and option contracts differ in the terms of right and obligation of the involved parties. True or false? It's true. If a taxpayer is opting for the presumptive taxation scheme under 44 AD, he also declares the profit at the rate of dash of such turnover in case of receipt in check of any digital modes of dash turnover in case of cash receipts 6 and 8%. In the OTC FX market, a settlement with the value dated of T plus 2, where T is the trade date, is none of which of the following. It's a spot. Which method is used to determine the closing price of a GBP INR future contracts? A weighted average price of last 30 minutes of trading. A trader holds a strong bearish outlook on USD INR and they anticipate a notable decline in volatility in the market future. Wishing to express both views, he prefers to use a plain vanilla option strategy. Which option position he is most likely to take a short call? A currency research analyst is of the view that the USD should depreciate against INR in the few months. C decided to execute his view using currency futures. Given this scenario, what type of market participant would we analyst be? A speculator. Mr. Alak, a currency trader, is of the view that the interest rate in India can arise while interest rate in USA can remain flat. If everything remains as same, what currency future trade strategy would be beneficial to him if the view comes correct? Sell USD INR short term, buy USD INR long term. Which of the following best describe the timing for collection of daily mark-to-market settlements, all positions? Mr. Mohit sells 10 lots of GBP INR 1 month future sell price of dash and square of 5 lots. पहले जैसा ही क्वेश्चन है प्रॉफिट would be 3750. A trader sold USD INR 1 month future of dash. The interest rate gap between US and India was approximately 10% per annum, while the Indian rates were being higher than US rates. What were the USD INR spot rate at the time of selling futures? 84.39. A trigger price is dash, limit price of a stop loss buy order less than or equal. Mr. Vikram expect interest rate in India to decrease while interest rate in US to decline in next 3 months. If everything else remains same, what calendar spread position is likely to be profitable if Mr. Vikram's view comes correct? A short USD INR for 3 months and long in the 1 month. Mr. Adrenal has strong bearish view uh, on Euro INR, and he also expects significant increase in volatility from current levels in the coming days. He wants to execute both the views, but would like to stick to a plain vanilla option, long put. In the interbank market, when GBP and Euro is traded against USD, then which is the quotation currency USD, 1 year interest rate in USA is 4% and in Japan is 0.5. If current USD Japan spot rate is 95.65, then the 1 year future rate of USD Japan will be lower than 95.65. In the trading system of exchanges, all orders comes on dash order into the order book. If they get a match, they will execute immediately. Else, they will enter the order book according to the price and time dash order. Active and passive. A dash order is classified as a price related conditions on market. Identify which of the three transactions are considered as a speculative transaction. A transaction settle otherwise than the other actual delivery or transfer. Dash is the process through which clearing corporation become a party to every trade that is executed on the exchange innovation. Which of these is or are operational risk from a stockbroker? All of the above. If the spot price of Euro INR is 70, what will be the moneyness of a short Euro INR put option on the strike price of 68 out of the money? On the below option, which one is the true for exchange traded derivatives? They are standardized with the proper risk management system. US has a lower interest rate than the India, so the currency future rates of USD will be dashed to INR at a premium. What is the market timing for exchange traded currency derivative in India? It's 925. A call option of strike price 50 is available at the premium of 0.75, where the spot price is 50.50. If the spot price increase, the premium will decline. Never true. So yeah, we have completed the first 50 MCQ. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. Okay. So yeah, we'll see you into the next chapter. Bye.